This is a cosmetic bag with makeup items which I took with me to Europe. I'm gonna go over them and give you a short overview. I'm gonna start with a primer. That's the Wet n Wild Impossible, the one silicone-free primer which does it all. Mattifies, hydrate, blur pores, prepare for the makeup. Now this is almost empty because I did use a lot. Come on. It has a thicker texture. It smells like coconuts, but it does smooth your skin. I'm not sure about filling up the pores, but it does smooth it out. So then when you're gonna put your foundation on, it glides smoother, and yes, it does kind of stays longer. So I'm almost done with this one. If I'm gonna repurchase, not at the moment because I have many other uh, primers to go through. Then from Estee Lauder, I have their brow pencil, brow now, brow defining pencil, dark brunette. You have spoolie on one side, and then the I don't know, crayon at the other. So what I do, I just put in my brows and then just fix it with the spoolie. Like I don't mind it; it's fine. It's very okay. It's not stiff, it's creamy, but it's not as creamy that you're gonna smear it. I'm like, I don't mind that. Like, it's a neat pencil. Then from number 7, I have the mascara, the full 360, all around incredible lashes. Everything you have wanted in one mascara, noticeable lashes, and it comes with a curved brush, which it will make it easier for you to apply the mascara. And yes, the claims are real. Within the fast application, your lashes will look way better. It's gonna give you a lot of volume. Previously, I have this mascara, but in a black version because this one is brown and also the waterproof. It is a good mascara. I do like it. I already have a backup of it. Next one is Zero Smudge Lightening Mascara Double Wear from Estee. What it does lengthen your lashes. However, I use this on my bottom lashes because you're gonna remove this with a warm water. So instead of you fighting with the waterproof mascara and makeup remover, this one does the job. Then from the same brand, I have their Double Wear Light Foundation, Stay in Place Makeup. If you're familiar with the classic Double Wear, this is a lightened version of it. Yes, I do like it. This is my second tube. However, that's the first, let's call it first version. They already have two other, let's call it Revolution or upgrades. So you cannot buy this version, there's another one. But yes, I do like it, and this container is almost full, so I'm gonna miss it when it's gonna be gone. Then from Cargo, I have their palette. This one, it's called Enjoy Your Journey. It was one of their holiday palettes. I chose this one because you have the ultra colors and you can easily create looks. In fact, you can see that already heat pad on a couple of them, and some they already have dents. So I'm I'm not gonna be surprised that this uh, makeup palette's gonna be done by the end of the year. And Cargo eyeshadow palettes have a good pigmentation. In fact, I bought this on a whim. I wasn't really sure, but I knew the Cargo eyeshadows are good, so I was like, you know what, let me just pick it up, and I'm glad I did because this thing is perfect for travel. Going back to the foundation from Revlon, I have their Color Stay Light Cover Foundation, 12-hour natural finish with SPF 35. And as much as I wanna like it, I wanna like this product, I couldn't because the color which I chose is too light for me. I was hoping that maybe during the winter time my skin's gonna get lightened, but it didn't, so I couldn't use it on its own. Yes, I could easily mix them, but I will not really know what does this foundation do on its own, so I will have to buy a new shade in order for me to figure out if it's bad, if it's good, if it's worth repurchasing. Let me clean this one up before I'm gonna make a mess, and then I'll be back. Moving on to the rest of the makeup. Let me put it on the floor because I don't really have a filming area, so I have to work with what I got. This is a primer from Glossiva. One Step Color Corrector Skin Tone Brightening Primer. Stila, they have something similar. However, it costs, I believe, double of the price. So what it does, okay, what does this product do? So you have three different colors, and when you mix them together, it's supposed to, let's say, correct your skin color, which yes, it does. In fact, you can wear it on its own. It's not a bad product. It has a not a pleasant scent. However, the scent's gonna evaporate, so you're not gonna smell it afterwards. And I was using this till I purchased this one, but since this one it's already, it's almost empty, I'm gonna go back to using this one. So in case if you have any, let's call it discoloration, redness, or you want to hide some stuff and brighten your face, this is not a bad item. Then from Wet n Wild, I have their Big Papa mascara. I have this one previously, and I did like it. This mascara has an hourglass brush, which makes it easier to apply it. And also because there are so many bristles, it's gonna be faster to put the mascara on your lashes. I like it. There is nothing wrong with this mascara. It's one of those drugstore items which are good. Then from number 7, I have their Lip Shine lip gloss in Pink Latte. Even though it looks brown, or say brownish, it doesn't look like that on the lip. It's like a nice topper or something if you want to wear it on its own. This gloss, it's hydrating, so that was the reason why I chose it. The other one was the Maybelline lifter glosses, and I do enjoy them. I have few colors. This particular one, it's Reef, and like this one was sheer, this one it's opaque, meaning if you're gonna apply it on you, it will few layers, it will cover your lips. There is nothing wrong with the gloss. However, this color is not good. It doesn't look good on me because, let me just show you. Yes, if I'm gonna apply it, my lips gonna disappear. So this shade, it's not good. It doesn't work on me. From Estee Lauder, I have their little black primer, which you see me in a lot of videos. Technically, it's a mascara, black mascara, which you can apply before you're gonna apply mascara in order to keep the color, or after you're gonna be done applying the mascara. So then it's gonna be sealed and nothing is gonna be moved. So I have two of those. Next item is the eyeliner. This one is the double wear waterproof eyeliner in black, which I do like it because it does stays in place, and I like to put it on my waterline. I purchased this one a few times and I do like it. Then from Milani, I have the brow pencil with a spoolie and then the brow product at the end. I don't know if I can, here we go. It's not stiff and it's not too soft. It's like right in between, so you can easily apply it and then just brush around with the spoolie. From Wet n Wild, I have their skinny pencil where the actual pencil it's way thinner, so you can make a light strokes and then fix it with the spoolie, or just use the spoolie on its own. I have a lash curler from Revlon. They're pink because it's a Barbie edition. Another pencil from Estee, that's their double wear stay in place. Like the other one was the waterproof and it was automatic. This one you have to sharpen. Then another mascara, it's from Revlon, that's their So Fierce Big Bad Lash. They have another one where the tube is longer and thinner, but this one, let's say it's a short tabby or stubby container. And the brush, it's a hourglass, and I did like it. I do enjoy the hourglass brushes. I don't know, it could be my eye shape or because you can easily get through every lash. But yes, I do see myself repurchasing this mascara. Let me grab whatever is left in the bag. Oh, wow, 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 wow. And we're dropping stuff. From L'Oreal, I have their Age Perfect Creamy Powder Foundation, which I use as a powder. It's finely melt. Yeah, it's very soft. As you see, I already hit a pan. It's a good powder. I do like it. I have the makeup sponge from Real Techniques. I went through a few of those. Then another primer from Estee. Okay, three more items left. So first one, it's Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in... Oh no, that's the brightener. I'm not gonna talk too much because this is a cool product. Technically, everyone knows it. Next one is brow gel from Estee Lauder. And yes, it was a clear brow gel. So what I did, I applied the brow pencil and then use this one afterwards just to seal everything up. Then another brow product, it's from Lancome. That's their styler in, I know it's brown number 03, which has like a brush applicator where I could easily brush through my brows and I was good to go. And if I really want, I could still use the brow gel from Estee. And the last item is mascara from Rimmel. That's their Scandalized Curve Alert, which comes with a curved brush. And yes, the brush is kind of big, but it's also make it easier to apply the mascara. And even though it doesn't say it's waterproof, it does stays on your lashes and it doesn't smears. I went through many of those tubes and I do like it. That brings us to the end of the video because the bag is empty and I see you next time. Bye.